is Panther grouper. That's right, grouper.
Panther grouper.
Yeah, a fish that I saw on the other side, on the other aquarium. Last time we came. I mean, just on the sign, and I couldn't find it. It's in this aquarium. And look at this. We're here at the Rain Forest Cafe. They have a beautiful aquarium. And you hear the thunder again and see the lightning in the background. Look at these beautiful colored fish, and look at this fish's eye. I love fish. I colored fish when I was a child. I'm sure you did too. And I still remember it as being something really fun. Look at this one. Till next time. Hope you enjoyed it.